Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to create campaign on Revcontent. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button. Okay, so after you log into your Revcontent dashboard, you will click on campaign boost. That is where you create your campaign. Okay, and then you select your campaign type and you enter the boost name, which is the campaign name. Okay, and enter the bid amount. You can also leave it as default. And your budget, you can either choose daily or unlimited budget. And you click on optimize for engagement, and your brand logo, you can just leave it automatically detect. And scheduling, so you should choose when you want your campaign to start running and when you want it to stop running. Okay, and you can also leave it as default so that it will start immediately after it is approved. And the targeting type, so there are two targeting types: the topic targeting and the brand targeting. So you can choose any one you want. So here we are choosing the topic targeting. Okay, so here you will choose the topic you want to target. You can target as many topics as you want. Okay, and then the country you want to target. Let's choose the United States, and the region you can put origins, and the device targeting. You can either target desktop, mobile, and tablet, so you can just target all devices. And the language, so leave it as English and click on save. So you just click on continue. So then you click on add new. So put your campaign URL, paste it, and click on submit. Okay, so here it will load the preview of your ads. This is your campaign URL. And the content type, so you should just choose article. This is how articles look like. This is your image and this is the headline. Okay, so you then put your headline. So they said capitalize first letter of every word to expedite approval process. So the first letter of every word should be capitalized. Okay, let's put the headline here. So you can see the headline has displayed, and your brand name, and then the image. So the maximum file size is 8 megabytes and the image should not contain any text because they don't allow any image that contain text, so it should be plain. You should upload a plain image. So as you can see, this is how the campaign will look like after it gets approved. So after you fill all this, you will then click on submit button, and your campaign will go to the review process. Revcontent will review the campaign and get it approved. Okay, so That is all. Thank you for watching, and please make sure you click on the subscribe button